In this video, I'll show you how to find old friends on Facebook step by step. Whether you're reconnecting with classmates, coworkers, or old neighbors, Facebook offers several ways to help you find people you know. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the search icon at the top of the screen and enter your friend's name. If you know additional details, such as their city, school, workplace, or mutual friends, include that information to narrow your search results. Browse the matching profiles and tap on any profile to view publicly available information that can help you confirm you've found the right person. You can also use filters, if available, to refine your search by location, education, or workplace. If you're still unable to find them, check your existing friends list for mutual friends who may be connected to the person you're looking for. Another option is to search for schools, companies, or community groups where you both may have been members. Then look through the member list if it's visible. Once you've found the correct profile, tap Add Friend. To send a friend request. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.